Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Technical Tutorials, and in this video we will see how to install the latest version of PHP in Windows 11 operating system, as well as how to run the first PHP code on the Windows. So let's start. First, open your favorite browser and search for PHP and just hit enter. Now here you will see the official website for the PHP, that is www.php.net. So this is the website. Just click on this link. Then here you will see the latest version of PHP, that is PHP 8.4. This one is the latest version. Now we need to go to the downloads option, and when you scroll bit, then you will get the different option like current stable, then old stable, and other options. So here we are going to install it. So here we have the download for Windows option. So just click on this download Windows option. Now here we have the multiple options like the non-thread safe and the thread safe. So we are going with the thread safe. For that we just need to click on this zip. So it will start downloading automatically. So it is just 32 MB file. So let's wait till download complete. Then we will see how to set the environment variable path and how to run the code PHP code on the Windows 11 with the command prompt. So we have installed. So we have downloaded it successfully. Now let's set the environment variable path and run the code. For that, open it into folder. So this is an the zip file. So first we need to extract it. For that, right click on this file and click on the extract all. Then select the path where you want to extract it. So I am extracting on the desktop. For that, creating new folder name as PHP, and in that folder I'm going to extract it. Just click on extract. So it's done. Now let's check. So you can see here the folder is created and all the files are here. Now what we have to do, we have to just cut this folder and we have to go to the C drive, and here we need to paste this folder. Now just open this folder and copy this path, and after that go to the search and search for the environment variable. Just open it. Now here we have to select the environment variables, and in the system variable we need to add this path. For that, just select the path and click on edit. Just add the new path here. So what we did, open the system variable, in that select path, and after that we click on the new button and we have paste our path here and just click on OK. And now we have to check the PHP is installed or not. For that, open the command prompt and search for PHP space hyphen hyphen version and just hit enter. So it will show that your PHP is installed successfully. Now let's create a code. For that,